Hi guys, good afternoon. Today I'm going to meet Miles, my friend. So we will go to Westminster Cathedral. So I'm already 5 years, almost 5 years here in the UK. Tapos first time kong mag-church sa Westminster. I always do online mass. So naisip ko na I should pay a visit to one of God's temple. Ngayon, I am getting ready na. Ready na akong sapatos na lang ako. And then, maglalakad na ako going to train stations. So, ito yung get up ko, guys, today. Yan. So, the weather here is 10 degrees Celsius. Hindi naman siya masyadong malamig. Okay lang. So, yeah. So, this is the Fulham Road. Ito yung itsura ng London on a Sunday. I'm gonna cross the street. I'm waiting for the traffic light to turn green. So, maganda yung ano namin, guys, yung place namin kasi we're near establishments like Greg's, Tesco Express, grocery store. So yeah, tahimik po yung road dito pag Sunday. And konti lang yung sasakyan. 7 minutes walk. So ito yung houses na malapit sa amin. Ito yung neighborhood ko. So, yeah, it's kinda nice. And I thank God na linagay niya ako dito sa place na to. Kasi tahimik dito eh. Tapos, yung mga people dito are respectful. Ayan. Malapit na ako, guys, sa train station. So, card ako dito, guys. So, dito ko linalagay yung card ko, this wallet. Tapos, nandito yung keys ko sa house. All-in-one na siya. I'm gonna top this card later sa entrance ng train station. Dito, uso ang paying by card. Ito yung stairs sa train station namin. So, So guys, dumaan pala muna ako dito sa High Street, Kensington. Kasi imimit ko yung friend ko na colleague ko na uuwi sa Tacloban. And may package ako na ipapadala for my baby Yisha and my family. Konti lang naman kasi syempre I have to consider the bigat ng bag nila. So, nagbigay lang siya ng allotted weight na pwede niyang ma-accommodate. So, I'm so thankful to her na pinagbigyan niya ako. Kasi it's a big thing ba na may nabili ako for my kid. So, I miss her so much and I wasn't able to attend her birthday. Tapos Christmas, wala ako dun sa Pilipinas. So, really, I'm grateful sa colleague ko na pumayag siya na dalhin itong package ko. Ito, package ko for my baby for Christmas. Be, kung mapunood mo man to, thank you. I know na ilang beses na ako nag-thank you sa'yo through text and personal. But yeah, kung mapanood mo man to, at least alam mo na grateful ako. Nandito na po yung friend ko. Oh my God! Urana na! Ako na friend. Siya yung friend ko. Hindi niya alam na mag-vlog ako.
Hi, hello.
Usual Sunday.
You don't know this
Oh my
place.
God.
It's Cardinal Place. So there's a lot of things to
So, taga
see.
Victoria po
Yeah.
siya.
There's a lot of things to
Sorry naman, taga Fulham lang ako.
Birmingham. I'm
Okay.
kidding.
Okay,
So,
tour me
You
here.
can choose any restaurant you like, or fast food, or whatever you want.
You should wear this mic. Oh. para your voice is clear
There's
ba?
a Wagamama upstairs. If you
Wagamama.
can check.
It's
If you
her
want,
favorite, Wagamama.
Like fast food or anything you like.
I can go with Wagamama.
Yeah, there's a Wagamama down there.
Oh.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
think that's a best option for us both Asian.
Asian, yes.
Yeah, that's the
Asian
only
food.
Asian restaurant here.
Are you sure?
I don't like Five Guys.
How about Zizi? Is that
It's like
Korean?
posh. It's like more
Apa,
pricey.
it's expensive, so
It's more pricey, so
yeah,
I
we're
can-
not fan of pricey things.
There's a
we,
flat
on,
iron
we only go
restaurant.
to fancy restaurants when there is occasion.
So there's a flat iron. However, it's like
Wow, however, okay.
just outside of this place.
Okay.
It's not within the Cardinal Place.
Okay, I have a tour guide right
Yeah.
here.
So it's your first time here.
Yeah, it's my first time coming
Really?
here.
How
And
are
first
you,
time,
Joyce? I
first,
didn't even have
first
you.
time to go to church. First time to go to church, to
In
attend mass.
Westminster.
Because I always do virtual mass.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, good.
So
good.
that's
Good.
Waga
Good thing
Mama.
that you invited me. As
Yeah,
well,
because
haven't been
I feel that we need some enlightenment. Okay, I will stop the record here. Will I? Okay, stop lang. Nagutom ka, Miles?
Oh, I'm so hungry now. So it's okay.
Londoner friend. This is my order. Hi, Miles. Gonna eat first before going to church. So we have a lot of catching up to make. Yeah. Okay, it's time to eat.
With Jesus' birthday coming up, I decided to pay a visit. I don't know how to explain it, but there was just this calling in my heart. Westminster Cathedral is located in the heart of London, and it has witnessed so many important moments in history, from generations of prayer to visits by popes like Pope John Paul II and Pope Benedict XVI. Standing here, you can really feel the faith, the history, and the presence of something greater.